Good morning, TK. Happy Tuesday. Um, I just wanted to check in really quickly this morning and share with you this website. It's got there's some videos on it that we might watch in class. Um, but I wanted to share it with you because we've been talking a lot about how we're peacemakers and we're role models and we're leaders and we like to help people. As your beautiful, beautiful word art that we looked at today, um, with all the things that you love and that you're grateful for and that that describe you. So Friday, April 17th, which is Friday, and then Saturday and Sunday, is Global Youth Service Day. So that means there's an organization out there that's challenging all of the youth, like, well, everybody really, but especially kids, to figure out a way that we can give back or show thanks and gratitude to our communities. And so we're going to talk about ideas as a class. Some of them are already on your choice board for this week. I've got on Friday, there's some examples of blank cards, thank you cards that you can write. Or you can start making a patience pouch or calm down kit for somebody else. But we'll explore this website, and I just thought it was really cool because I know your parents are all on social media, like Facebook or Instagram, and Hasbro, which is a toy company, because they realize that we're stuck at home, and so it's a little harder to do. We have to be a little bit more creative with how we give back and how we do service when we're not supposed to get together as a group. So they have a do good from home challenge, and if you take a picture of an act of kindness that you do, or something that an idea, you take a video or a photo of your family making a difference from home, or talking about somebody that you want to help and you're planning to help them. And if you put it on, I guess, Instagram and tag, do good from home, Hasbro will donate toys to kids who need toys. And up to 25, that's like knocking my computer out of the way, but up to 25,000 toys. That's a lot of toys. So, anyways, if you think about it, we've only collected about 200 of those applesauce caps. And so this is to 25,000. This is way bigger. So we can be creative about ways that we want to help people. And so I just want you to start thinking about who are some people that need help, or that you would like to help, that you want to help, but maybe you don't know how to, or maybe you've got a great idea and you just don't know how to make it to happen. So bring those ideas with you to class today. I can't wait to see you. I'll see you in a little bit. Bye.